Welcome to the shit show visa quiz. Question number 1.
Who is the visa agent that shopped for a suitable expat sperm donor because having a child is a financial investment? Question number 2. Which visa agent screwed up at least 4 visa applications in 2023, and the client sought another agent and can't take any responsibility? Question number 3. Who will meet you on the front end and ditch you in the middle and back end? Question number 4.
Which agent will accompany you into Peru for $150 daily, plus meals, lodging, and transportation?
Choose the 3-day beach vacation location and smuggle you back to Ecuador. Question number 5. Which agent sent out a photograph of receiving the COVID-19 vaccine, showing signs of the vaccine? Or is it the fluorinated salt? Question number 6. Which agents overcharge for translation services? Question number 7. This agent failed to file a marriage with the civil registry in 2023, resulting in visa denial. But the agent said, "It's okay, you can go back to your home country for 6 months." Question number 8. Which agent will let one's documents expire and take no accountability because you can do it again? Question number 9. Which agent let their mask slip after being asked why they charged $800 instead of the usual $500? Question number 10. Which agent assured a full visa refund but forgot about it?
Question number 11. Which agent posted a cringy picture on Santa's lap in 2022 and whispered in St. Nick's ear?
Question number 12.
Which agents are more expensive than the others because they are just more expensive? Question number 13.
Which agent, after receiving your permanent visa, fails to tell you that you have 6 months to ship your contents to Ecuador tax-free?
Question number 14.
Which agents display the common Ecuadorian trait of taking no responsibility for themselves, have never sought a residency visa in another country, and are wholly unqualified to conduct such an important matter?
We want to thank our sponsors, Marisol Mercado. Being rude, not pricing items, and constantly raising prices is their motto. And Fake O Organico.
Yes, I'm screwing you, but doesn't it feel good? Special thanks to the ridiculously fucked up erratic Ecuadorian National Assembly, where they've taken a confidence to a new level, and sincerely to Colombia, Peru, and Chile, where the expats deal directly with the government by passing these. We thank the audience whose input was converted into questions over the past 2 years, highlighting the most incompetent, unethical, unprofessional, and complex personalities. The term visa agent is loosely used.